Hello, this is Morten from English. We are still, as you can see, in the production of Meccanotecnica here in Bergamo. And I'm not repeating myself too much, but I'm actually talking to another Fabio. And this Fabio, he is actually responsible for the quality control of all the things that are being produced here. Fabio, good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I mean, when you work in a factory like this, you have CNC machines, you have skilled colleagues. Yes. I mean, and you control everything. Are you the one that everybody don't like?
Yes, I'm the quality guy. I'm the quality maniac, I would say.
Yeah, but I was joking with you because I was saying that if they don't like you because you're controlling their work.
Oh no, we're all friends.
Yeah,
we're
I know,
all friends.
I know.
Yes.
Sorry, just a stupid joke.
No. Yes, I'm that guy. Of course, I'll do my best. We have all the quality plans for each item. So we decide how much to check and what to check in every single article. And yes, that's what I do.
Okay, and when you have like automated processes like this, do you often find errors, or is most of the things within the accepted measures?
I mean, everybody make some mistake, and also machine do this. So it's okay. What's important is try to improve ourselves and avoid the fact that this mistake could happen again. So it happens sometimes, to be fair. It's part of the process.
We were in your lab just before, that's like climate control, because Stefano said that even the heaviest steel can grow and shrink a little bit compared to the temperatures, right?
Because all the tolerances are very small, so each microns it's important. Sometimes it could happen that even 5 microns could be not accepted, so thrown away, and then make again from zero the new parts. So yes, that's the reason why our room must be checked in terms of temperature and humidity also. Around 20 degrees Celsius and 15-16 humidity in percentage.
And now we can maybe even see that the machine that you're using for measuring things is moving. So what does it measure?
It's a machine that is it's very I would say common in companies who works with such as small tolerances. It's a CMM machine made from hexagon, made here in Italy, in Torino, who is able to touching the surface of the items, is able to know all the deviation of the surface and the difference between the reality and the geometrical theory.
So does that mean that basically, I saw there was like a heavy stone at the bottom of it. It was to keep it stable. But so that basically means that you decide the tolerances. You say that this can be plus minus X, and then you make a decision. The machine doesn't understand anything, except that if it goes beyond what you said, then it errors.
Yes, yes, of course. There's a limit. Under or over the limit, you cannot accept the item.
So when a part has been processed with you guys, is it then ready for assembly? Yeah, no. So when a part has been made here and you have quality controlled it, is it now ready for assembly of the finished machine? Or what do you do with the machine when you have a test here?
Oh, first part is wait for the temperature, because the item is hot.
Ah, okay.
And then must be
cool down, basically.
Cool down, yes.
Yeah.
So that's the first step.
Yeah.
Second one, quality team do the program on the machine, and then try the first sampling, and then follow the plan. For example, it could be like 30% checking plan or something like this. Maybe sometimes less, sometimes more. Sometimes also 100% quality. And then you'll check the first part and say to the other guy, okay, you can go on. and that's how it works.
And when now these days you have an open house with guests coming in from all over the world.
Yes.
Have you been at the open house as well?
Yes.
Okay. So when you see the finished machines, does it make you proud working for Meccanotecnica?
Yes. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Of course, because.
And you know how much work you put into it, right?
Oh yes, we all know. We
Yeah.
all know. So it's good also for us to have this opportunity.
Yeah.
To see all our machines working, and it's great.
Maybe even sometimes getting feedback from the customers, right?
Also.
Yeah,
Also,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. I guess that when you have an open house like this, I mean, you have, for example, two quite new products, both the Serio and the Lyra. I mean, that is also, I guess that when you have like a total new product, it must be even more exciting to see how people receive it, right?
Yes, of course. The details that we care the most sometimes are the one that clients don't see,
really see,
because
yeah.
clients see the machine that is already working and closed with the external parts.
Yeah.
So sometimes, of course, client says it's great and do the job that I want, but microns, it's like our internal stuff.
It's
great.
Yeah,
It's great.
Fabio, the other Fabio, he said that basically when the CAD CAM program has been set up, basically you produce and assemble things like that. But I was thinking that when you do like an entirely new machine, is there also a little bit trial and error to see how it actually works?
Oh yes, it's new also for us.
Yeah.
So it's always challenging.
Yeah.
In every office, who do their precise work. It's always new. It's such a challenge.
Fantastic. Fabio, great to see you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Doing great.